Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson. Before I go tell you for the next one, happy first day of fall everyone. It's September 22nd, 2022. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 36. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Beyond the Valley of the Cubots is a long word to pause it and say it. Well, almost a long word. Let's continue.
Only a few more adjustments and the auto.
Good afternoon, Tails. How's it going?
If only there were a machine to do this for me.
Really hard work, huh?
Where's my shifting spanner? My baby!
Welcome to my
What do you mean your babies? You mean tools?
My baby!
Sonic, it's urgent! Get over here! What took you so long?
Sonic just ran to you fast. See, what is it?
Check under there.
Under where? There's only one person evil enough to do this.
Who?
Eggman.
Dr. Eggman? He stole your tools? I don't think it was him. Is he?
Aw, I just repaired that door from the last time you broke it down. You can't
Oh yeah, from the
fight over
previous
doors
episode.
with the
You know
sword,
that.
It's a special order. What did you do with Tails' tools? Tails' tools are missing. So are mine.
So is your Dr.
Who
Eggman?
is?
Your tools is missing?
Never you mind. Get out of here. Scoot. I'll bill you for the door.
If it wasn't Eggman, then who did it?
Eggman's behind this. So I've come up with a foolproof plan to catch the real thief.
What, like this?
That's your plan?
What? This is how you catch stuff.
You need a
Watch
best
TV
trap,
before?
Sonic. What's Dr. Eggman looking for? Probably tools.
My worst nightmare has come true.
So what, are you speaking in front of a conference of robots and you realize you're standing in a puddle of your own oil?
And then you wake up and find out you oiled the bed?
I didn't want to say anything about that blue pineapple, but there's a band of renegade robots out there, watching my every move, plotting against me.
What's
I
Dr.
don't care
Eggman
behind
talk
the
about?
burglaries.
I don't know.
I can see you, you know. Robots are so stupid. Wait, maybe that's my problem. I can't think like a robot.
Where are you going to find someone that can think like a robot?
I'm sending you two on a mission to find where the renegades are hiding.
We won't disappoint you.
It's too
Oh yeah, they're sending on both missions Dr. Eggman did to find who stole tools from Dr. Eggman, and so as Tails.
That. Don't you even know how to figure out directions with a compass?
That thing can tell us directions?
You're hopeless. I'll show you the right way.
Oh no, we've been captured!
And now they're trapped.
By the handsomest robots in the world!
Cubots look same as many of them.
I
Yeah.
don't know. Have you ever been to Go-Robot Village?
You're clearly both the same model robot.
That's impossible. He has a hat.
Hey, prove it to him.
Oh, it would appear that he's a rejected
Told ya.
child of you.
But what
They're
about
same
me?
as you
You're
of
a
many of
prototype
them.
as well.
So then, what am I?
You're also a prototype.
Yeah, but what about...
You're all prototypes of Cubot.
But I have a hat! We've been living here since we escaped from Dr. Eggman's
They
lab.
live in the village in the
After being
desert?
programmed
I
and
think so.
tested, we were deemed not good enough.
Oh man, that was terrible. Yeah.
So we escaped and went into hiding so that Eggman couldn't dismantle us.
Throughout the pipes of the drain? Yep. So that's why they escaped. Sounds easy, huh?
But Cubot began to malfunction, and we needed tools and electronics to fix her.
Nah, that's laser gun.
Use sand.
Or water.
Whoa. When you started as many accidental fires as I have, you get good at putting them out.
You couldn't just use the water to put out the fire, huh?
You learn from your mistakes? No wonder Eggman stopped when he created you. You are the ultimate prototype.
No, you imbeciles. He's the finished version.
A finished version, he said?
Can you help us fix Cubots? Let me see. Her condition is worse than I thought.
Hey, don't damage it.
Eggman will know what to do. If Eggman finds us, he'll toss us into the metal crusher and scrap us. Yeah, that sounds like him. All right, I got nothing.
Perhaps we should visit Tails. He'll know how to fix Cubot.
Yeah, let's do that. What a great idea to use Orbot's idea. You are a genius.
You got an idea in your brain,
Come on,
huh?
everyone. Follow me.
Animals don't use tools.
What? Who? What? Huh?
Did we
It's okay,
wake
son.
you?
It's just both of them.
No, I was just resting my eyes.
What, who, what? I'm up.
Yes, very convincing. Look, if we all pretend that you weren't sleeping, will you help us?
Just one more minor adjustment.
Tails is a
Don't you wish there was
genius
a
to fix some
to do that for
machines.
ya?
Justified, lover.
Holy cow! She's better than ever! I think these may be yours. We, found them in
It
the
was
woods.
those guys who stole Tails and Dr. Amos' tools.
Exactly the way you left it.
You guys don't have to steal stuff. If you need any more repairs, just ask. We'll be happy to help. And by we, I mean Tails.
Yeah, that's right.
When we get
You
home,
many
I have ice cream.
Cubots,
I meant for you
I
and
think.
me.
I believe it's time for us to leave as well.
You can't! We need the ultimate Cubot to be our leader. He's so much smarter than
You
the
guys
rest
need a
of us.
leader?
In all fairness, that's like being the healthiest item at Madburger.
Exactly! That's why I have to stay.
They're not the brightest. I see how it is. Very well, I wish you luck. But as for me, I shall return home to our beloved Dr. Eggman.
What, you're going home?
Where have you imbeciles been?
It's great to be home.
Where's the other one of you? What's his name? Cubert?
Cubot chose to live among the renegades.
You found them. Cubot can't stay there.
He represents the perfection of the Cubot series.
What? No! I can never protect the Cubot series.
Uh-oh, looks like Dr. Eggman realized what's going on.
Perfect Cubot.
Really?
Don't be too excited. It's not much of an accomplishment. It's kind of like being the perfect Cubot. We've got to get him back. He knows too many layer secrets. We've got to destroy
Too many
those
layer
renegades.
secrets? What does that mean? I don't know.
Don't remember? All these renegade robot bases look the same.
If only I implanted some sort of tracking device in you so that I can find out where you've been. Oh, wait, I did.
What's Dr. Eggman doing? I don't know.
What's the meaning of life? Teach me how to juggle. What does the self-destruct button do? Can you believe how dumb these guys are, Orb? Oh, right.
Don't press that button on your head. You'll be
Button.
hurt yourself.
Oh, come on, guys!
Hello, boys. I'm back.
They'll destroy us.
Dr. Eggman found them who escaped.
I know what to do. Run!
What are you guys staring at?
Me all ran off. Now I tell you to run, you just stand there? What's wrong with you guys?
We'll take it from here.
Yeah, Sonic Tails will handle it. The robots to defeat them. And watch out that robot that was from Season 1, Episode 1.
I'm
Oof,
sorry
man, that was
for
close
ditching
for
you
ya.
to become the king of these dopes.
If it makes you feel any better, I've come to expect this sort of thing from you.
Yeah, me too. Can you believe Eggman's attacking me?
It's not an attack, it's, a rescue mission. Dr. Eggman
A rescue
said he had to get
mission?
you back because
Sounds like a
you're
rescue.
perfect robot.
Yeah. Cubots, you gotta stop Dr. Eggman. He doesn't have to do that.
You mechanical beast kite!
Sonic, wanna tie him up? That robots, I mean.
Now look what you made me do! Retreat!
Farewell, my people. You will always be in my heart. But I gotta scram.
Yeah, see ya both.
Before Eggman returns, we need to move you all to a place where you'll be safe.
In other words, don't press that button on your head. Yeah, it hurts really bad.
When you're done with that, polish my boots, you boot polishers!
Welcome home, Your Majesty.
And welcome back, Cubots. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 36, Beyond the Valley of the Cubots, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, just remember, use that code to stay healthy, because the cold is coming soon in this season. Well, I'll check in my weather apps on my phone. So, goodbye.